How do you increase the size of your iPad? Now, obviously, we're not trying to stretch out the display size or whatever. It's not going to work. But what people are looking for most likely is how you can increase the storage. Because if you open up the settings, go to your storage, you might notice that your iPad might not be as packed with storage as you would expect. So for example, I have the 256 gigabytes storage, which is fine. You can see I have it empty, but in case I would have it full or have like lower capacity, what are then some of the options? Now, the first way I would solve this is by some kind of cloud service. Like if you go to your name, tap on your name at the top and click on iCloud, you can see the cloud storage available. So by default, you get 5 gigs for free. But if you need more, you can just update very simply. For a monthly fee. You might get a lot more of storage, which is going to be on the cloud. And if you go in here and, for example, automatically sync this iPad and upload everything to the iCloud, well, all of the photos and every single thing is going to be uploaded there and like removed from your phone. So this is how you can technically increase the size and the storage of your iPad. Same for the drive and some like other files which you can sync and put on the iCloud. So definitely go ahead and look into this. Also, keep in mind that this is not the only option for you to just use cloud. Obviously, there is a Dropbox and other applications where you can just upload your content and like videos, files, whatever you have. Google Drive as well. And even for photos, I use Google Photos instead of iCloud since I just like to use it a little bit more. So I use that, right? So you can just choose from all of the like different platforms which are available to you. Also, in case you want to just stick with the local storage, you don't need any kind of cloud. In that case, I would recommend you to get some sort of external drive like this portable SSD, which is really working well. Like this one is 1 terabyte, so literally 4x the amount of storage which I have on my iPad. I can easily just connect it through a USB cable and just access it through the Files app, so I can easily just use that as my storage option. So let me know down below in the comments what you use, what the option is, which you're going to go for. And for now, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video.